God's coming through you. Oh, you missed that. I said you missed that. Because God is coming. Yes. Yes. Through you. You just got to have faith and hold on to it and know that he's coming. There's a privilege in your prayer. Come on, stand with me, please. Some of us have given up. Some of us have lost hope. Some of us have decided that maybe God just doesn't want that for me. Maybe God is just waiting for you to be faithful enough to serve Him. In this season, let's try serving and see what He does. Every head bowed. All hope of not sleeping with the fathers when he died are now gone. Because God told Zechariah, I'm going to give you a male child. That's a sign of hope, a sign of completion. That it will be just as he promised. You will have a boy, and he's to be the forerunner of Christ Jesus. Somebody's here this morning, and you have given up hope. But the Spirit of God has shown up this morning and has given you the privilege of talking to Him again, of starting over and beginning again to do what He called you to do to begin with. If you are here, won't you come? Don't hesitate. When you're starting all over, it's a good thing, not a bad thing. Won't you come? The doors of the church are open. If you turn your back on the church didn't turn its back on you. If in fact you've never been a part of the church and you want to be now's the time to turn your life over to Him. If in fact you belong to a church and it's too far away for you to attend, you just need to be under watch, girl. We'll accept you here in the house of the Lord. Won't you come?